And before we know it, we'll be back to being ADHD squirrels on cocaine, not wondering what we're doing, right? We don't want to do that. We want to know what we're doing. So what we're going to do next is I'm going to teach the system that Tekmatix, not Kajabi, is where you should be working with your courses and your platform. But the next task on your slide deck is to turn your to-dos into results. So first, we're going to copy and paste every single one of these tasks that we have now got from our strategic plan into our to-do list task manager. Now, you're going to have one of your preferred. I know some of you like using Notion, some of you use Monday, some of you use ClickUp, some of you should not be using random post-it notes everywhere. But I recommend that you use the task manager in Tekmatix. Okay, so I've got my little pretend account over here. You've got over here on the left-hand menu, tasks. And this is where you can now go in, and I'll be jumping into my Gemini and copying that task. Is it going to let me copy it? Copy. Go to tasks, add a new task. Is it going to let me do that? No. Create membership inside Tekmatix. Okay, and you can get subtasks for this later, blah, 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 blah. Book a call with a Techspert, book a 1 hour call with Sarah Cordner. You can literally get your membership set up in 3 hours, blah, 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 blah. Date and time that it's due, pick your due date and time. If it's a recurring task, something that needs to be done weekly, you can set that up, but this is a one-off task, and then assign it to somebody. So that's my task. I've got to do that. And then press save. And you can press save and add another as well if you want to, but save. Done. Now, the cool thing about this tasks manager is you can actually add it to your main dashboard. I am going to show you how you can do that, but on your main dashboard over here, you can press edit dashboard and you can actually move your tasks to the top of your list. So if I press edit dashboard over here, I like to, in my real account, this is a pretend one, obviously, I like to have my tasks right at the very top because it's the first thing you see when you log into your account. And when you're in edit mode, you can make this nice and big, and I can press save changes. So now whenever I log in, my tasks are right at the top here. And I love having it set to whose tasks. So it might be just me I want to see, and tasks that are pending. And so you see there, I've only got one task now assigned to me. But if in this pretend account, I'll select all users. This shows all the tasks. Oh no, look at all these overdue tasks that was supposed to be done in 2023. Don't worry, it's just pretend. So this is a really cool way for you to instantaneously start your day knowing what you need to do. Now, the other reason why I love this that you'll see later, because you're going to build a to-do list prioritization bot, is when I sit down at my desk, and sometimes just like everyone else, I have those days where I'm like, oh my God, there's so much to do on my to-do list. What do I prioritize first? All I do is I come in here and I just copy all of my tasks and I stick them in my to-do list prioritizer bot. I just copy and paste them all in and go, here is the shit show of my dashboard and all my tasks I need to do. Please reprioritize them for me. And then it will reprioritize them. And all I got to do is go and change my due dates based on what's most important. But don't worry, we're going to be doing that in a moment. I'm just jumping ahead a little bit for you here. So all you're going to do is just take each of these tasks, copy and paste them into your task manager. So now you have this one single place of truth for where all of your to-do lists live. Now, make sure you download the Tekmatix mobile app. The Tekmatix mobile app is just called Lead Connector. And this Lead Connector app, which is really good, so I'm just going to see if we can open up a demo for you on here, is inside the app, you have, this is just too small for you to see, isn't it? Sorry, let's remove this. Inside the app, you can actually go straight to tasks there in the mobile app and see all of your tasks from your mobile phone. But the reason why I love having this on my mobile is to just instantaneously get ideas out of my head or things that I need to do. Because again, I know that most of us just have constant stream of thoughts. Got to do this. Oh crap, I need to do that. And I'll usually remember when I'm in the car or I'm having a walk or I'm in the kitchen making the kids' lunch boxes.